This is an internship opportunity from Chai Sutta Bar CSB, and the domain of this internship is 18 domains are there, and you can apply for any type of domain. And how to apply for this, and what is the credibility of the source from where this internship is coming, and how much you get in this internship. I am going to share all of this information in this video, so be with me till the last. So hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And I already made this video of AWS Reskill. If you doesn't watch this video, please go and watch, because if you watch this video, you get to know about how you can get a free t-shirt from AWS and also Amazon vouchers up to worth rupee 5,000. So go and watch this video and sign up on the platform of AWS Reskill. So let's talk about the internship program from Chai Sutta Bar. And firstly, let's see who is Chai Sutta Bar is. So here you can see this is a very good company from India. The entrepreneurs named Anubhav is started this Chai Sutta Bar, and the data 140 plus outlets are there in the world, 75 cities, 3 nations. So these are the very good records from CSB Chai Sutta Bar. And here you can see all about Chai Sutta Bar. So these are the company information. They doesn't offer smoking products just like cigarette or other things, because there is a name that is called CSB Chai Sutta Bar, and Sutta means the cigarette or any smoking product, but they doesn't offer any smoking product. And here you can see all about the Chai Sutta Bar. Very good company, and they are emerging company in the whole world. And now I am going to show you about the internship program offered by Chai Sutta Bar. So this is the form. Here you can see there is a option of internship form, and different type of internships are offering by them. So firstly, let's see who is offering this internship, so that you can get good information, means a credibility of information. So here you can see the post of the Anubhav Dubey, who is the founder of Chai Sutta Bar, and TEDx talks he attend and many things. So he present this form and he given the link. So I am going to show you all the things which is available in this internship. So let's, and this internship is for all the college student. And also the benefits of this internship is you got a job offer, also internship completion certificate is there, letter of recommendation for top 5 candidates of each domain, and also letter of appreciation for top 10 candidates of each domain, job offer for the students who outstand, and also stipend of rupees up to 20,000 is there. So this is a very good internship opportunity. And also LOR, LOA and job offer will also be given in the performance based of the candidates. So what are the domains and how you can apply, now I am going to show you. So here you can see the internship form, and I going to give this internship information, the link in the description. You just go through that and you find this option, this tab, and here you need to apply for this internship opportunity from Chai Sutta Bar. So here you can see job offer for all, anyone can apply for this, and only you need to fill this form. And after that a short interview will be conducted over the phone, or will be shortlisted on the basis of resume. So you need to apply for this internship through your resume also. So you can see here, firstly you need to write your name of the candidate, contact number, email address, location, your qualifications, and any internship. If you have any experience, then you can share here, and if you doesn't have, then just write no. And here you can apply for 18 plus domain. Here you can see all of this. Also for YouTubers and podcaster, there is a separate internship. And also if you want to volunteer their foundation, first foundation, that you can also apply for this. And other things you can see here: marketing, digital marketing, data analyst, finance, law, project manager, supply chain, also for graphic designers, web developers, 3D animators. All type of internship is available here, and you can apply for any type of internship here. But at the one time only you can apply for one internship. Just like if I choose data analyst, I can't choose human resources also, only one you can choose. And after that you need to answer this type of question: do you have any experience? And if you doesn't have an experience, just tap fresher, and here describe yourself in 3 words. And if you doesn't know how to describe yourself in words, just write curious and any type of attractive word, just like creative, analytical, or different type of words are there. Just go through the net and just put that words which makes your personality good. So next thing is, why do you want to intern with us? And the next question is, any additional information you would like to share? And I must recommend you all that you just go and fill this also. Many of you just if this is not compulsory, you just leave this information blank, but doesn't do this. I'm just going to share all the answers of this, so you can just copy that in the answer and put here, so that you can get a very good means your this form make a very good impression to the invalidator, who is going to invalidate your resume, your and other things, so he can read and get information about your personality. So if you want answer of this, why do you want to intern with us, and also any additional information you'd like to share, so you just go through the link in the description. I shared the questions and answers with question and answers. And also you need to apply with your identity proof. If you have an Aadhaar card or any type of identity proof, you just put here and add file and upload that. And also you need to upload your resume, and when you complete this, just submit it, and just wait for the call from the CSD, means Chai Sutta Bar. And also if you complete this, there are very good chances of, if you have a good resume and if you give answer all correct, then there is very great chances to get shortlisted in this internship, because the number of selection is very high in this internship. So this is whole about the internship offer. And if you want to know more and more about internship and this type of opportunity, so please connect me on LinkedIn. Also here is my profile, and I also shared my profile in the description. You just connect with me, and I also sharing many type of information on the platform of LinkedIn, so that you got any information. If there is any informative information, you directly got from LinkedIn. So this is whole about this internship offer. I think you all find this internship offer very good, and if you want to apply, just go through and apply for this internship, because this is very good. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching, and met in the next video with one more informative video. So please share and like and subscribe my channel.